Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Julie Brown. She's one of the 4-H Youth Development Agents here in Warren County. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning, Kristi.
Julie, today you are going to talk to us about a really awesome event coming up, and that is the Kentucky Volunteer Forum.
So yes, the Kentucky Volunteer Forum is open to any volunteers in the Extension Service, and really the workshops we offer, there's lots of people like community ed, our Friskies coordinators, our youth service coordinators, with the school systems, this is great opportunities for them as well. So I guess the important part is the dates, which is
Yes.
February the 24th through the 26th, and it's going to be in Lexington, home of the University of Kentucky,
Yes.
at the Hyatt downtown. Is
Okay.
where we've had this. This conference has been going on now for over 20 years. But we're excited about the conference. Every year it keeps growing. We have over 200 workshops that people can attend. With that, and when I say workshops, I mean we have workshops that are devoted just to agriculture. We have workshops that are devoted to family consumer science. We have 2 different crafting workshops. We have cloverbud workshops, camping workshops. So anyone that is, as I said, we've also got workshops for just family consumer science agents or the homemakers. We have workshops for our master gardeners, and we have a tour just for our ag community on Friday. So, as I said, it encompasses all of Extension
areas.
Service. Yes.
Now, Julie, if someone is watching and they've never even been a volunteer for Extension, but they are interested, would this be a good opportunity?
It would be. It would be a great introduction to the Extension program for this person. They just need to contact their local Extension office is what they need to do, because this program is open to all 120 counties in the state. But the deadline is approaching, which is December the 10th, which is early bird registration. So, which is $150 is what that is. But if you're still kind of thinking about it, want to wait till after the holidays, we do have a deadline in January, but the prices go up to $195 a person. But contact your extension office. Talk to your 4-H agent. If you don't have a 4-H agent, talk to the family consumer science agent, talk to the horticulture agent, talk to someone else. Find out more information about this, because they can print off all the different workshops, so you can look through all those workshops and see what, see if there's a good fit for you there, something that you're interested in, participating in.
And if someone misses that early bird registration, they could even ask for this as a gift for
Yes,
the holidays.
You're exactly right.
So, Julie, this sounds like a great opportunity, a wonderful networking opportunity. So, what is this going to look like? Workshops?
So it is. It's going to be workshops, and I guess I should also say in there, this is not only for adults, but also teens. A lot of our teen 4-H members attend this as well. But you're going to have workshops. We'll have seminars on wheels that they can pick from, and where they'll leave, go out and tour different facilities. They may go to do different craft projects, things like that. But also, we have a networking breakfast. We have guest speakers that come in. The opening event is at Kroger Field. We, get to participate in that. So if you've never been to Kroger Field, which is the football stadium,
Okay.
UK's football stadium, is where the opening event's at. We have on Friday night, we have awards recognition for volunteers. Same thing on Saturday for luncheon. We have awards recognitions for our teens. So it's recognizing not only, people from here in the Mammoth Cave area, because there has been a lot of awards that are coming out of the Mammoth Cave area, especially here from Warren County alone. We have 12 award recipients, so we're really excited for our volunteers for that. But, just to network, meet other people, get new ideas. If you've been a volunteer for 20 years, this is still a great thing to go, because you can meet new people, get new ideas, those types of things. And then you get to attend all of these workshops. They start Friday morning and they go all the way through Saturday afternoon late. So,
and some organizations allot money for individuals to go to certain trainings.
Yes.
So this might be a great opportunity for someone if they wanted to, if they were worried about the cost, they could talk to their employer and see if there would be a way.
Or even talk to their extension office. There might be a way that they may have scholarship funds and things like that to help out, as well. So if you're worried about the cost, same way with hotels, there's with Warren County, we put a lot of people in hotel rooms,
Right.
Make sure everyone's good with that. But we have those hotel rooms set aside to help people out as well.
All right, Julie. Well, thank you so much for being with us today. If you are interested in attending the Kentucky Volunteer Forum, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you have a great day.